Welcome to the ultimate blueprint for building and selling AI agents in 2026. This is everything you need in just 15 minutes. Let's start with the urgent truth. The AI opportunity is massive, and time is running out to get ahead. Reports show 57% of American work can now be automated. But the secret opportunity is that only 12% of workers have any AI training. Businesses are desperate for digital workers. An AI agent is not a chatbot. A chatbot can only recite the menu. An AI agent takes the order, processes the payment, and updates the kitchen. Agents take action. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint to build these agents and the strategy to sell them to the 1.7 million small businesses being left behind by big tech. To build any AI agent, you only need to master 3 fundamental ingredients. First, prompting. This is the brain. You don't use complex code. You use clear instructions in plain English to tell models like GPT-5 or Claude exactly what to do. Second, knowledge. This is the context. You feed the agent your company's specific data, PDFs, spreadsheets, docs, so it doesn't talk generalities, but provides precise, business-relevant answers. Third, tools. This is the action. Tools connect your agent to the internet via APIs. This is what allows it to check a calendar, send an email, or pull real-time data. Now let's dive into the first build, a high-ticket solar lead generation agent. We'll be using N8N for automation, the Google Solar API for data, and Airtable as our CRM to manage the leads. The user inputs their address and power bill. The agent uses the geocoding API, calls the Google Solar API to analyze their specific roof, and calculates their personalized ROI and tax incentives in under 10 seconds. Next, we solve the speed to lead problem. If a lead waits more than 5 minutes, your conversion odds plummet by 400%. We use Retail AI to launch an outbound voice call immediately after the lead provides their phone number from the previous chat. The AI voice, Sam, qualifies the lead by asking if they are a homeowner with a budget. The call transcript is sent back to N8N, which automatically updates Airtable, marking them as qualified. Finally, we empower the human sales representative with Build 3, the sales rep copilot. We'll build a custom dashboard using lovable.dev, giving the sales representative a Research Me button right before their qualified calls. This agent uses Firecrawl for web scraping and Apify for LinkedIn scraping. It writes a detailed pre-call briefing, giving the representative a perfect angle of attack without any manual searching. You have the skills. Now let's talk about the money. How to capitalize on this wealth gap. The builder focuses on the technical setup. With a 1 to 1,100 ratio of builders to businesses, you can charge $2,000 to $5,000 per implementation. 3 clients a month is a 6-figure income. The consultant focuses on the AI audit. Charge $500 just to find where a business is wasting time. Then hire a builder to execute the implementation and take a cut. Don't wait for this market to get crowded. Join our community. Pick your path, builder or consultant, and get your first qualified lead today. The link is in the description.